Hi, it's Tanya here, and today we're going to be unpacking the highly anticipated Tatti Lashes x Patricia Bright Lash edit. We have 2 exclusive bundles to unbox today, and I'm going to show you exactly what you get inside. Plus, stay tuned for the style try on. First off, we've got the Bright Ambition Lash Bundle. Includes 4 full-size products that brings together effortless, flattering styles that enhance your natural beauty. First out of the bag, Side Hustle Half Lash. It gives the most gorgeous subtle volume with a seamless blend on the outer corners, giving you the ultimate your lashes but better lash look. Next up, Daily Obsession Half Lash. It is exactly that, an obsession. It's super lightweight and adds just the right amount of soft, feathery length to create a beautiful, elongated cat eye effect without feeling heavy at all. And for the everyday matte pre-glued clusters, this goes underneath your natural lashes, giving you that flawless, seamless, wispy salon extension look in literally seconds with zero glue mess. This is perfect for everyday lash look, or if you're looking for a longer wear up to 10 days. These pair perfectly with our non-stick applicator for a quick, fuss-free application. Now let's unpack the other bundle in the edit, the Out of Office Lash Bundle, featuring 6 full-size items to take you all the way from minimal daytime looks to full glam evenings. In this bundle, you get all the products you've just seen in the first bundle, but you will get extra 2 style for the full glam look. First, we've got Elevated Strip Lash. The definition on this is insane. It gives that perfectly snatched, glamorous finish when you want to make a statement. And the other extra style, Medium Volume Strip Lash. If you love a fluffy, multi-dimensional look, this is the one. It's the perfect balance between full definition and effortless wispy drama. It's a total main character energy, and that's all the styles in each bundle. They also comes packed inside exclusive stunning travel bag and complete with a custom tag, so it's completely travel ready. With this mix of premium strip lashes and pre-glued clusters, you can easily match your lash to your mood, your destination, or your schedule. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe for more lash videos. Both bundles available to shop now.